First of all, what is the meaning of current? What is the meaning of electric current? Anyone? Yes. What is current? Current is what is how current is represented by? Current is represented by capital I. So our current is rate of flow of charge per unit time, or you can say flow of charge per unit area is known as what? It is known as current. So current is rate of flow of charge. In the first chapter, we have studied the charges which were at rest. In second chapter, we studied what will happen when charge will be put into the electric field. In the third chapter, we are going to study what will happen when charge starts flow. This flow of charge is known as current. Okay, so what is charge? Charge, what will be the unit of it? What is the unit of charge? Charge will be represented by this Q. Charge will be represented by, yes, coulomb. And T, what is T? T is time, and time, SI unit of time is what? Yes, it is second. So this is what? This is coulomb per second. It is also known as what? It is also known as ampere. Okay, once more. What is the meaning of current? Current is rate of flow of charge per unit time. Rate of flow of charge per unit time. What will be the unit? The unit of charge will be coulomb, and unit of time will be seconds. And what is coulomb per second? Coulomb per second is known as ampere. Okay, now what is the meaning of average current and instantaneous current? Yeah, what is the meaning of what according to you, what is the meaning of instantaneous current or average current? Yes, what is average current? In average current, you will represent current as I average, and that will be equal to change in charge per unit time. That will be equal to change in charge time. What is change in charge? Final charge minus initial charge over final time to initial time. And what is the meaning of instantaneous current? Instantaneous current will be represented by term I instantaneous. It will be represented by term I instantaneous, and that will be equal to dq over dt. At the particular instant, what is the value of current? It will be represented by I instant, and the average of charge per unit time, it will be represented by our I average. Okay, now we'll see what is there in our introduction, the introduction part. See, in introduction, we have all charges, whether they are bound or free, were regarded as being a test charge, were regarded being a rest charge in chapter number 1. In chapter number 1, we studied about that only, that charges will be at rest. An electric current consists of moving charges. These current happens spontaneously in a lots of circumstances. One such event is lightning, in which charge travels through the atmosphere from the cloud to the earth, often with catastrophic consequences. Although the charge flow in lightning is irregular, we frequently come across the gadget in our daily life that exhibits a continuous charge flow similar to that of water running easily through other river. Like, consider an example. So examples such as such device that are cell-driven clock and a torch, which we will examine a few of the fundamental rule pertaining to stable electric current in this chapter. See, what is the meaning of current? Basically, current means the thing which flow. The thing which flow. Current doesn't mean shock. Nah. Current means flow. See, the flow of water, it is also known as current. Flow of eddies are also known as current. flow of charge, also known as current. But which current we are considering? We are considering the current which is produced due to flow of charge, which is produced due to flow of holes, which is produced due to flow of electrons. Okay, now